my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Hey y'all, it is day, I don't know what the F it is in quarantine. Really, I've lost track of time. No fucking clue. What day is it for you? I think we're in week 3, end of week 3. And 4? Are we? That's my boyfriend offset. Let me correct you, he says. And he says I'm a little crazy today. And that's okay, because we're in quarantine. You're supposed to be a little crazy. What are we doing today in my kitchen? Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. No, I did not take drugs. This is just me hyped up on life, on quarantine life. So right now, as I say that, we're getting started with some Bloody Marys. Who likes Bloody Marys? Now, you know, I usually like a michelada, which is made with beer instead of vodka, but that's probably not the best idea in quarantine to have a beer belly. We already have our quarantine belly. So instead we're gonna use vodka, which is a healthier alternative. And then this is one of my favorite spices. If you check this out, yum, 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 yum. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but I will tag it below. And this spice just changes up the game. Let's get some Clamato out. So you have the option between tomato juice, normal tomato juice, or Clamato. So I like to get a little bit more spicy and Latin in my Bloody Marys. So I wouldn't call it traditional. But we have what we need here, a couple glasses. I'm not getting too complicated with it because you know what? During quarantine, you also don't have as many ingredients because not everything is accessible. So I'm gonna go in my fridge here though and make some noise and grab my handy lime. Because you can't do it without a nice little garnish and some lime. And what is this? We're dropping shit. So you know what? The fridge is full the best that we can. We got Worcestershire. Anyone really know how to say it? Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
We're going to link that below. This is Annie's. It's natural. I like to keep it more organic in this house. Organic alcohol. Just kidding. Chopin. I will be tagging Chopin. If you want to send me some free alcohol, we're not opposed. My boyfriend drinks most of it, but maybe he will share now. So we're going to put this together. How are we going to start? Good question. Milo, stop digging in the back. We got a crazy doggy back here. He's like, help me, get me out of here. I don't want to see mommy film anymore. That's okay. Let's go ahead and make it. I'm not following any recipe, so that might be a disaster, but my opinion on a Bloody Mary or michelada is you gotta cater it to your own taste buds. Do you like it spicier? Do you like it maybe not as spicy? Do not forget the hot sauce. Cholula is what I use. I like it more than Tabasco. Milo, what are you doing back there? He's going crazy. Okay, so we have Cholula hot sauce. We have Clamato tomato juice. We have Worcestershire sauce. We got Milo in the background, Tajín spice, and of course, vodka and lime. So let's get to work, shall we? Okay. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna also make sure that everyone that is following me on Instagram can also check it out in my feed. So we got so much happening in this kitchen, but right now we need alcohol first. As my boyfriend reminded me, I thought you were making Bloody Marys today. That's not what he sounds like. But he did ask, I thought you were making some mother Bloody Marys today. So I'll get to work. Let's get some ice. I'm actually gonna put this in one. I'm gonna now take the Clamato in the other glass. Let's check it out. Check it out, shall we? Check it out. Yeah, I would love the shaker. Thanks so much. This is what really is the best thing about having a good partner. He knows when to bring in your martini shaker when you need it most. Thank you. That might help. Oh look, we even have things to measure. Do we measure in this house? I don't think so. We eyeball it. And my boyfriend's eyeballing of vodka. A little bit bigger than mine, but that's okay. And we'll pour it. And then we are going to take the Cholula, the hot sauce, And we are going to pour in a good amount to make it nice and spicy. We're going to make a little bit of a mess, but we clean it up as we go. Then we're going to take our Tajín, and we are going to shake it up inside and add a nice little bit of spice. And once we've done that, we're going to take our Worcestershire, and we are going to, not too much, I don't like too much of a taste in there, nice little drop, okay. Then we need to cut up that lime. Cut that sucker up. We're cutting that whole house up. It's like a racing in this kitchen. This is behind the scenes. Y'all get to see what happens when I don't post the clean, beautiful edits of a perfectly cut lime, and instead I show the massacre behind the scenes. Show me that lime. Show me that lime. Then we're gonna do a nice, we're gonna just cheat and squirt it in our face. We're gonna just squirt it in there. This is what we call a real entertaining video. Wouldn't you say so yourself? Okay, I'm filming offset for Instagram at the same time I'm filming here. I need a crew, but you know what, it's quarantine, so you just do the best with what you got. Okay? So now I got my martini shaker. Don't worry, I'm not forgetting the vodka. Okay, so let's add this in. My boyfriend's offset going, can you just finish making that drink already? As he's staring at this. Should I shoot this? Should I make a drunk Bloody Mary where I'm already drunk while making it? Now we're gonna add, we need a lot more vodka than that. So let's go ahead and pour in the more vodka, pour in the more vodka, pour in the more vodka, and a little bit more vodka. As my boyfriend, yeah, just hurry up, a little bit more, a little bit more. So we have a nice little mix here. We're gonna add our ice, because I like to shake it up with some ice. Is that okay with you, sir? All right, we're gonna add the top, and now we're gonna do our best to, when we shake it, not explode it everywhere. Oh wow, professional shaker. Okay, now the thing I said about how I don't measure, because for me, once I pour it, I'm like, I take a sip, is it good? Do I need a little more spice, or I need a little bit more lime? That's okay. You know, that's what we do. This is nice and cold now, okay? We got a cold, crisp martini shaker. We're gonna take the top off, and we're gonna pour it, and I'm gonna add more ice, but let's just see how the flavor is of this first. What a beautiful color. Oh, it's perfect. How did I use such a perfect glass? All right, let's check it out. That's pretty bomb. Oh my God. All right, now we're gonna garnish it. Oh, he's reaching for it. I see a hand. Back off, this is mine, sucker. Just kidding, I'll share. Just kidding. I'm gonna garnish it though, because you must garnish it. Let's go ahead and see. On our video here, must garnish it, of course. All right, forgot I have to make another one after this. Not one, but two. Don't worry, I got you covered over there. I got you covered. Let's garnish it here, and we have, voila, this beautiful Bloody Mary. I'm gonna add a few more cubes of ice, because a little ice never hurt nobody. Let's add a little ice, and voila, a perfect RAE Bloody Mary. Let's go in here. Boom. That's a beautiful drink with a nice little garnish here. And let's see how it is. Oh yeah, that's good. That's what we call a perfect Bloody Mary. On the spot, no measuring, freaking perfect first time round. See you guys next for the low carb, Milo, you're coughing in my video, for the low carb cinnamon buns. Cheers. Ooh, yum, Bloody Mary, don't mind if I do. RAE's famous recipe for Bloody Mary. Stay tuned.